Hey everyone, welcome back. If your computer is overheating, the fans are running at full speed, or you're facing sudden reboots and the dreaded blue screen of death, you might need to replace your heatsink assembly and fans. Today I'll be showing you how to do just that. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need: a screwdriver set, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol wipe, and of course, your new heatsink assembly and fan. Remove the base cover. First, let's open the case. Keep the screws organized so you can easily put everything back together. Remove the heatsink assembly. Look for the screws securing it and carefully unscrew them. Installing the new heatsink assembly. Clean the old thermal paste off some isopropyl alcohol wipe. This step is crucial for good thermal conductivity. With the old paste cleaned off, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Just a pea-sized dot in the center of the CPU and GPU will do. Align the heatsink over the CPU, ensuring a good fit, and secure it with the screws. Make sure it's snug, but not overly tight. Install the base cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next.